Workers have the right and the responsibility to stop work when they believe something is not being done in a safe and prudent manner.
When we start talking about stop work authority and shutting down an operation that's $1 million a day or $600 a minute, it's terrifying for everybody.
The GRP funded a workshop on worker empowerment. While they're being told that they have this responsibility and ability to stop work when they believe it's unsafe, do they really feel comfortable doing that?
The biggest problem that we have with our existing systems and even the existing culture, it's not designed to generate trust between the regulator and the operator. And that is distinctly different from the way the FAA and the aviation industry act and work. I presented the whole entire concept of what if we could use the FAA model in the offshore regulatory and operational environment. There'd be some challenges implementing it, but when you learn about it, it's like, man, why aren't we doing this?